Hello everyone, my name is Karen. In this presentation, I would like to introduce a Chinese online shopping company to you, JD.com. On the right side of this slide, you can see the red logo with a dog called Joy and the Chinese characters of JD.com, which is Jingdong. Now, let me briefly introduce the company JD.com to you. JD.com is a large internet company that runs online shopping and retailing business. It's the first Chinese internet company that appears in the Fortune 500. It ranks at 261 of Fortune 500 in 2017. And its total stockholder equity of last fiscal year is 4,877. As indicated in the table on the right side, this is amazing because even Tmall, which is part of Alibaba and run by Jack Ma, has never reached a Fortune 500. The headquarters of JD.com is based in Beijing, the capital of China, and it has many affiliate companies in southern and eastern China, such as Shanghai and Guangzhou. In addition, its self-owned logistics covers almost everywhere in China, even the rural area. The CEO of JD.com is Richard Qiangdong Liu, who wrote a bibliography about how he established JD.com and what he and his company haven't gone through during this long journey. On the left corner of the slide is Richard Liu Qiangdong's book, 闯京东, which means the establishment of JD.com. What's more, Jingdong Company has been voted as the best employer in both 2016 and 2017. Next, let me give a brief introduction to the background and history of JD.com. Qiangdong Liu started JD Company on June 18, 1998 in Beijing, China. In its first stage, it was an agent for selling optomagnetic products. In 2008, the company turned into a 3C shopping platform, which mainly sold air conditioners, refrigerators, and televisions. And in 2010, it started to also sell books on its website, which means that it started to transform an integrated retailing website. In 2013, the company changed both its official name and logo. In 2014, JD.com went public on Nasdaq, and JD.com made a large leap in 2016 and started its own logistics system. JD.com's cooperative business strategy is to develop alliances. Specifically, JD.com has a strategy to keep good relationship with famous brands, and it hosts big shopping gala, selling excellent products from those brands on June 18th every year. Secondly, it also cooperates banks to release co-branded credit cards, which encourage customers to buy goods on JD.com with those co-branded credit cards. When it comes to competitive forces, JD.com faces competitive forces of railroad of competitors and a threat of entrance. JD.com's competitors such as Taobao.com, Sanning Commerce, and VIPs are big online shopping companies, and they all offer similar service and are competing for customers. Taobao.com, established by Jack Ma, allows many small businesses to sell products online and is the biggest competitor of JD.com. And up to now, JD.com has been ranked the second largest e-commerce firm in China. What's more, there are increasing number of online shopping companies emerging in the market, and those new e-commerce businesses sell high-quality imported products, ranging from popular domestic products from Japan, Korea, France, and America, to overseas foods from Malaysia, Indonesia, and other European countries. With more and more competitors, it is urgent for JD.com to find suppliers that offer low purchasing price and products of good quality. The competitive strategies of JD.com are innovation strategy and growth strategies. The innovation strategy means that JD.com has its own logistics, which is very unique. Many other online shopping companies use third-party logistics service providers such as Yunda, Yuntong, Zhongtong, Shentong, and Baishi in China. In contrast, JD.com has faster delivery speed and better delivering service by using its own logistics. ensuring that most customers can receive their package within 24 or even 12 hours. It also has warehouses distributed in several regions of most cities. It uses the past data to predict the needs of certain products in a specific area, and according to the prediction, it stores appropriately a number of products in the local warehouse. Then, after the ordering from customer, it can immediately deliver the products with short distance to decrease waiting time. Besides, JD.com also has growth strategies, which is expanding to global market to sell products and is also trying hard to find good suppliers abroad. Additionally, it also diversifies into new service online finance, which is very promising nowadays. JD.com wants to develop its own paying platform where customers can also invest their money, and it has been building great relationship with many banks in China to release co-branded credit card. The enterprise business system that JD.com uses are enterprise resourcing planning system. The use of ERP system provides the company with a competitive advantage. Specifically, the ERP system makes it possible for the company to distribute its products to different warehouses based on the purchasing statistics of a particular area, which allows its logistics to implement well. And the ERP system also helps the company to deal with accounting, finance, and human resources efficiently. Without ERP system, JD company could never had today's success in online shopping industry. Recently, breakthrough occurred in the development and application of artificial intelligence techniques to business information system. As an online shopping website, JD.com can take advantage of artificial intelligence to offer its customer a better shopping experience. For example, based on the past purchasing records, JD.com can learn about its customers' usual needs, price level they can afford, and even gender and age. Then JD.com can provide personalized recommendation to each customer. In addition, JD.com can use artificial intelligence to do scenario analysis. For example, if a customer buy bed and a cabinet, then he could be in the scenario of decorating his new house. Therefore, JD.com can provide links to products in this scenario to help the customer to buy all related products easily. As for social media, JD.com uses WeChat platform and WeChat advertisement in WeChat Moment to promote its activities and sales. With social media such as Facebook and Twitter, a blog all in China, WeChat is very popular with a great number of active users from all walks of life and all ages. It's strategic of JD.com to use WeChat to promote its activities on WeChat platform and WeChat Moments. In this way, JD.com has successfully obtained the large paid reels, and the customer can get notice when JD.com has large sales. JD.com gains a great advantage by using WeChat to promote itself and to attract customers. And many other companies begin to do the same thing to promote on WeChat to gain popularity. When customers look through their moments, they can see advertisement and like it or even forward it to their friends. JD.com has hierarchical organizational structure. JD.com is divided into different departments, and every department has a chief officer and several directors. From my own experience, when my internship ended in JD.com, my application for ending the internship had to be checked in a hierarchical process. First, I need to get my direct mentor's permit, and then the director in the CTO system, who was taking charge of us, and then staff from CHO and GC system will check my application, and when colleagues from other departments assign us some work, the priority level should be decided by our director. The organizational culture in JD.com is multi-phased and includes many aspects. Overall, they are formal. The most important two aspects would be the operation philosophy and the service principle. As for operation philosophy, JD.com encourages cooperation, integrity, and friendship. Co-workers are supposed to be a good team player, be honest and integrate, and keep in good relationship with other staff and clients. As for the service principle, JD.com wants to provide as many kinds of products as possible to make it easy for people to buy whatever they want on the online shopping platform. JD.com also believes it is essential to deliver customers' purchase as fast as possible to give the customer a good shopping experience. In addition, JD.com tries its best to ensure that the good on its website is both cheap and of good quality. In conclusion, JD.com cooperative business strategy is to develop alliances, and the competitive forces faced by JD.com are rivalry of competitors and the threat of new entrants. With existing and future competitors, JD.com has to keep innovative in its technology to thrive. And the two main competitive strategies of JD.com is innovation strategy and growth strategies. JD.com has its own unique logistics and distribution based on its prediction of needs. As for growth strategy, JD.com tries to expand to global market and it starts to diversify into new service, online finance. The enterprise business system that JD.com uses are enterprise resourcing planning system. The ERP system also helped the company to deal with distribution, accounting, finance, and human resources, which gave the company a competitive advantage. The social media that JD.com uses is WeChat, which has a large number of active users. JD.com's culture is formal and hierarchical, which created orders in the company. In my opinion, JD.com is doing well in the online shopping industry, though it faces many challenges. JD.com's innovation in developing its own logistics team is its biggest strength in the competitive market, and it used the best social media in China, the WeChat, to gain its popularity. Besides, JD.com is awarded the best employer in China in both 2016 and 2017. Therefore, I believe that JD.com's future is promising. That's all. Thanks for listening.